Hello everyone. Welcome to this week Middle East Economy Weekly Observation. Today is 2025 March 18th. Okay. So start from UAE. The Dubai woman arrested for being drunk in public and sentenced to 6 months in jail, 20,000 dirham fine. So Dubai is prohibited to drink alcohol in the public space, and this lady got drunk, and also she might have some conflict with the police as well. So it's a serious issue. So drinking and like a party is still an issue in Dubai because the Muslim country they emphasize on the quiet, on the privacy. So this has to be careful. And Dubai returns top ranking for greenfield FDI projects. So in the last week, I think for the greenfield foreign direct investment data got some released from Dubai Media Office. So in the total, there are 52 billion dirham, about $14 billion. This is the total FDI. It's 33% increase from the 2023. It's the highest in the last few years. This is from the China Daily. Okay, I think I have mentioned FDI in the last week. This is some more detailed data about FDI. Indian topped. I think it's Indian. India is the first position. In the no, the UK is the first, and the second is India, and then the US, France, and Italy. I think this FDI is about the institutions FDI. Mostly about institution. If you think about the people, the Indians are number one, definitely. Look at the projects. So the business service ranks 20%, and then the food and beverage 15%, software and IT service 14%, and textile is about 10%. Consumer products 8.3%. Here is how we can see this foreign list FDI. So there are 29,000 companies operating in trading and service sector joined the Dubai Chamber of Commerce in 2024. Among this 24,000, it's about how many? I think there's a number about real estate. Yeah, this is 24. Mention. Okay. So 29,000 is the total number. Here's 23,000. There are companies operating in the real estate, renting, and business service sector. So this is the annual growth of 8.4%. Only 5,000, about 6,000 companies they are operating in the industrial, including the transport, storage, communication. Communication is the IT service, I believe. This is another 8.3% increase. So you can see the majority, almost 70% of the total new companies, they are in the real estate, in the business service sector. So I don't think this is a sustainable trend, definitely. So we will see how it goes in the future. Dubai declines over new tariff threats. Oil hosts Abu Dhabi. So we know recently the oil price slump a lot, and the US is imposing the tariff to all the trading partners. So this global macro environment might influence Dubai's economy. So it's a threat for Dubai. So in the last week, there's some decline in the Dubai financial market. And also the EMA, they decreased a lot in the last week. And also the Techcom, it didn't mention here. DET to issue license to free zone establishments to open branches within the Emirate. So Dubai has recently updated some law regarding the free zone companies to operate in the mainland Dubai. So these companies can get a license from the DET, Dubai Economic and Tourism Department. And this license is valid for 1 year. And after 1 year, you need to renew the license. So this is the cost, I remember, is about 10,000. So this is annually cost. Okay, look at the GCC. GCC in the last week, Saudi they have a lot of how to say, they're making troubles to the consulting companies, because the consulting companies, they have earned like tens of billions or even hundreds of millions dollars consulting fee from the Saudi government, from the Saudi projects. But this consulting service, they don't have actual benefit to the GDP, to the overall economy. And many consulting services, how to say, the outcome, the delivery has been proven to be unsustainable. So that's why the Saudi got angry with these consulting firms. So in the last few weeks, Saudi found troubles, bring some troubles to the PwC, and to how to say, to have very cautious dealing with the other consulting firms. Okay, whatever, but Saudi's real gross GDP, they is expected to grow by 2.8% in 2025, because the higher private consumer spending. And also in the last week, the SP, they have upgraded Saudi Arabia's stock market, the Saudi. This is the Saudi Arabia's rating, the country's rating, from the A to the A+. So this will help Saudi to issue more government debt to the public. Okay, look at the China and the Middle. So far it's good. Even there's some more money raised, some more petrodollar raised on the consulting services, but the overall economy is still still uptrend. So it increases its rating, it can issue more debt. With that debt, it can sustain for some time, at least 3 years, even till the 2030, the Saudi Vision 2030, right? Okay, look at China and the Middle East. China sees faster growth in fixed asset investment in the first 2 months of 2025. The global trend has come to China, especially focused on China's high-tech companies. So we know US has the Magnificent Seven, right? China has the same accordingly. So in the recent last 2 months, this high-tech firm, the price increased a lot. I think the trend is going to be continued, but I'm a conservative. I will put my money on the overall bigger market, not focus on the magnificent the Chinese 5 companies, or 5 or 7, whatever. So Japanese firms agreed to biggest pay hike in the 34 years. So we have seen in the last few weeks, the union in Japan, they asked to increase the pay. So now it's officially released that the pay has increased like 5% in the last year. This is the most substantial pay hike in over 3 decades. Yes, this is it. For the oil, look at the oil. The oil was expected to reach $50 per barrel in the future, but this price will have some big influence to the overall economy, especially the Middle East economy. Here we can see in the past some time, there are two factors. One factor is the demand is squeezed. It's still not very good, and the OPEC has decided to boost the supply. The time is not clear, right? But it's in this year. So the oil price, they have reduced less than 70 for the U.S. West Texas crude futures. But in the last 2 days, I think, because China's economy got some more rebound, so the oil price rose slightly on Tuesday. In the last 2 days, I think. But overall, China still remain unchanged. It will be a downtrend to the 50 maybe. Look at the companies. So in the last week, the Dubai financial market, they decreased 1.7%. In a week, and in a month, they decreased 2.8%. So in the last week, the top weekly mover, the top gainer is Taikon. Because Taikon, I don't know why. The week before last week, when the U.S. stock price dropped, the Taikon dropped a lot. Maybe some major stakeholder, maybe some major shareholder, they have withdrawn some money, maybe. But in the last week, its price bounced back, and because Taikon is really good, it's a good company. Its dividend rate maintained above 5%, and then it has the best asset in Dubai. Yeah, this is it's a good company. Yeah, it has monopoly power. Yeah. In the last week, the DIWA, NBD, DFM, Hacking, they decreased the price. DSA is also good. DSA, the dividend rate is very high, and it has the tradition to distribute its dividend. IMAX, its price, I think is 2.86, right? So it's negotiating a buyout deal. So the buyout deal, the price in the buyout in the deal is 3 dirham per share. So now its price is very close to 3 dirham. Yeah. You just mentioned the Dubai investments. So this is good company. Revenue is up 12% from the year before, and net income is up 6.6% from the year before. EPS is 0.28 per share. So let's look at its price. Is 2.3. So the EPS is above 10%. It also has the monopoly power, has some very good assets in Dubai. It's a diversified company. It has very broad investment portfolio. And we have mentioned in the last few weeks, so in the short future, Dubai Investments will have some subsidies to go public in 2025. So once these subsidies go public, its price will jump as well, I believe. So Ema Properties upgraded the rating to BBB+, right? Yeah. And the Taprid and the Dubai Holdings, they enter agreement to provide the district cooling to Palm Valley. There's a half stake with Taprid, half stake with Dubai Holdings. And for the Taprid is from the Sovereign Fund and also from the French specialized company. Okay, let's look at the properties. So the residential properties price is slowest again in the 20 months. Just a few news. I didn't have access the data, so I couldn't tell it's right or wrong. So yeah, let's look at this data, this news, and there's a big boom, Dubai version coming to Dubai. So I think it's will be completed in 2028. Yeah, I have seen this before. Yeah, this maybe just a project got suspended for some time, and Dubai will provide the affordable houses. Total units number is 17,000. Will be delivered, I believe, in 2028 as well. But this project just announced. Will provided to the skilled professionals. Red Properties reports record 40% revenue growth in 2024. And most of the projects in Ras Al Khaimah. Yeah, they are developing Manjiang Island. They're building a new casino. In the Ras Al Khaimah. So yeah, maybe that's the reason. Other investment properties, they got some new bond issued with over 7.2 times oversubscribed. So it's very popular. The coupon rate is very high. The company is very prudential. It's Emirates owned company, Abu Dhabi Emirates owned company. And the Sharjah real estate transaction is also very good in the February. The Sunrise Capital, the super elegant in Westgate, the project. Qatar real estate trading volume has $334 million in February. This is about one tenth of the Dubai transaction volume. So it's the amount the total amount is not very high, but you look at the figure, it's increased like 20%, 30% increase, right? This is about the spaces traded. Yeah, so it's about a 10 to 20% increase overall, I think. Bahrain property also shows resilience in 2024. Oh my God, this is Bahrain. It's it's a tourism city, and this manufacturing, financial service, this non-oil sectors representing 37% of the GDP. Well, they also have the golden visa. It's unbelievable. Yeah, so all these Middle East countries, they are they're comparing with Dubai. They have offering this golden visa, this policy, and accordingly their real estate price increased a lot. This is 1.4% year-on-year price increase for the high-end apartments. Bahrain is interesting. I've never been to Bahrain. Okay, so Saudi Arabia to have new off-plan real estate law. Of course, they have to have a new law. The old law is outdated. And more than 72,000 homes to be delivered in Dubai in 2025. So in this year, we will see the supply is over the demand, I believe. Okay, look at the crypto. Richard Teng, the CEO of Binance, got it right on crypto rules as Abu Dhabi pours $2 billion into Binance. So in the last week, the Abu Dhabi sovereign fund has become the big shareholder of the Binance. They put $2 billion. They can put no money. I don't think they actually put money into the company. It's just a number. Yeah. And the Ripple secures Dubai license to offer crypto payments in UAE. So it's Ripple USD. They got some confirmed legal status in the Dubai transaction. So all the previously all the USDT, USDC, all the crypto transactions, they're actually not very legal. They in dealing with some transactions, but this is the first legalized crypto to deal with the payments in the UAE. It's the first regulated crypto, I believe. And also, Crypto.com expands the UAE's footprint with license to offer derivatives. So they offer some bank cards, so you can use that bank cards to do the everyday transaction consumption. In the last week, the big news is Duro has been granted permission to leave France and return to Dubai. Not he has returned to Dubai, I think. Yeah. And Pakistan in the last week they want to found a Pakistan Crypto Council to regulate digital assets. Last week, the Bank of Korea rejects Bitcoin for reserves because there is a high volatility and liquidity concerns. Yeah, okay. So this is all for the last week. Hope you enjoyed. See you next week.